Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am back with a mini review of the NYX Marshmallow Blender. It's literally so cute. It's in the shape of a marshmallow and I am obsessed. But is it better than my e.l.f. sponge? I don't know. Stay tuned and find out. So first, I just want to show you the packaging that the little marshmallow blender comes in. It's really cute, actually. Very simple, but definitely very cute. Let me try to get this open. I have my little scissors right here. So here we go, straight out of the packaging. Okay, it's actually very, very cute, but it's very firm. And as we all know, I'm not a big fan of super firm sponges, but it is dry. It does have a little heart stamped on it, and it's super cute. So I'm gonna go dampen up this sponge again, and I'm gonna get this one damp as well so that we can do a side-by-side comparison with my foundation. The Marshmallow Blender did expand quite a bit, and it's actually feeling a little bit like the texture of my e.l.f. sponge. Today I'm gonna use my favorite foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It has SPF 15 as well in it. So we're gonna quickly do a fast forward motion of my e.l.f. beauty sponge on this side. But now I'm gonna apply a little bit of foundation on the Marshmallow Blender. Why do I like how this blender is blending out my foundation? I thought this was gonna be a gimmick. Okay, so I don't know if I told you guys already, but this is $9. Oh, I think I did too much because this kind of spreads the foundation like further than normal. Whoops. I'm just gonna do, I typically don't apply foundation in this area, but I don't want to waste this foundation also. I thought I really wasn't gonna like the shape because it's just round. There's kind of no edges, but I'm not having that much of a problem. Okay, the foundation is gliding on really easily, and I don't know if it's the primer or not. Like, I'm looking really, really good right now. Like, the foundation looks really good on. I don't know how concealer is going to perform with this type of sponge. A little right there, right there. The same usual spots, just like that. I'm gonna blend this side obviously with the pointed side, like how I normally like it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Marshmallow Blender, and I'm trying to get as close as possible to my eye. Why do I like this better? Why am I liking this better right now? I still love my e.l.f. sponge, but for some reason, I like this one a little bit better. They do feel very, very, very similar though. Okay. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off camera and I will be right back. I am in a different shirt because I've been filming different videos, but I want to end this video by saying that this isn't a bad blender, like at all. I am really shocked. I thought this was gonna be more of a gimmicky product, but for $9, I think I still prefer the e.l.f. sponge. But if you wanted to pick this up and you wanted to try this for yourself, I definitely say go for it. It's really fun, it's really cute. But one thing you don't get with this one is the different angles. So in my opinion, the e.l.f. sponge is still way more worth it than a $9 blender that only has like rounded sides, because you can't really be detailed. But you guys saw the side by side, and I am actually in love with the way that the Marshmallow Blender applied my primer, my foundation, everything. So I recommend it in my opinion, but for the price, I still think that the e.l.f. sponge is so much better. Do with that information what you will. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you in my next video.